Good morning, students. In today's class, we will continue with chapter 6, graphics in basic. Few statements we have done in the last class, like color statement, circle statement, plot statement, line statement, rectangle statements. Okay, and I have also sent you programs with related to all the statements. Do all the programs in your copy with the output. Okay, draw all the shapes and color them also. Okay, now next I am going to start next statement. It's poly statement. Okay, now open your book, page number 59. So what is the use of poly statement? It's draw a polygon on the graphics output area. The pairs of x and y coordinates will determine the sides of the polygon. So syntax is you have to write poly, P-O-L-Y, then bracket, middle bracket x1, then y1, comma x2 and y2 value, and x3 and y3 and so on. Okay. Now I will explain you with the example. To display the use of poly statement, first you have to write CLG, then color red, whatever color of polygon you want to select. So you can write any color. Next poly, then value you have to give in like this: 150, 100, 175, 150, 175 and 200, 125, 200, 125, 200, 125 and so on. Okay, like this, and you have to write add. Now run. Now you can see this shape will make. Now next is to draw a lamp shade. Okay, so color red, then poly, then you have to write all the values. Okay, 200, then color green. Okay, there is two part of the, we are joining two parts of the drawing and making lamp. So now next run. So you can see the output. Now next statement is say statement. Okay, the say statement is used to make basic 256 read an expression aloud with the help of speakers. So syntax is say, then expression you have to write. So to understand the use of say statement, first CLS, for you have to write the for looping. I is equal to 1, I value is 1 and it is running till 20. So say I, next I. So next I will increment and it is next coming on that for loop 20 times. Okay, now run. So it will make a sound. Okay, this is for sound only. So to read a message aloud 20 times, it will. So if we want to say this message 20 times, so we have to use for loop again for this. For 20 times loop, I is equal to 1 till 20, then say keeps publication. Any message you can write in the code. Now next I, then N. Now next run. So it will say keeps publication 20 times. Okay. Next is sound statement. You can create a program to play sound with the help of speakers in basic 256. The sound statement adds the sound element in the program with the specified amount of frequency in hertz and duration in milliseconds. So basic 256 convert the musical notes into frequencies and can produce various tones. So syntax is sound, then frequency, duration you have to write. Like frequency 1, duration 1, frequency 2, duration 2, like this. So there is another note for you. The rate of occurrence of an event and frequent intervals is known as frequency. It is measured in a unit called hertz, Hz. So frequency 0, 0 means no sound, which is used to give a pause between the list of frequencies. Now next program is program 17, program to display the sound statement. So executing, this is the command line with hash. Now next sound, Next you have to write all the values executing the sound statement. Okay, like this you have to write all the, then say keeps publication word. Okay, any message you can write and it will make a sound. Next is program to use say statement in a loop. Say statement again we want to execute any statement, so we can use with loop statement like this. Input how many times you want to repeat the loop, n value you have to input. So how many times? So I is equal to 1 for loop to n. So n is the value you have, whatever you have given in n value. So like suppose if we are giving 10, so it this loop will continue with till 10. So it will say this statement will come in loop. It will make a sound with this message 10 times. Okay, then plus I plus times. Now next, enter first string. First string it will give into str1 variable. Second string in the str2 variable. If str dollar equal, then both strings are equal. It will say both strings are equal. Next sound. For sound we have to give in all the values. Now next we have to write else say statement. It is both strings are not equal. Okay, if this condition is true, then it statement say both strings are equal will be executed in sound. Now if it is false, then else statements both strings are not equal will be executed in sound. So we have to write for this also sound values 4, 5, 6, 3, 8, 9, 2, 100. Now and if, this is for if statement, one and if, one else. So next I, it will continue with loop for. Okay, it will, next I, it will go on the for loop. Now next end, it will continue with 1 to 10. If suppose we are given value of n is 10, so it will execute 10 times. Okay, so you can run. So how many times it will ask you, so you have to give the value. After that it will say the message according to that. So now we have done this chapter. Now we'll revise with recap points. Basic 256 is also used to create colorful graphics and figures. Graphic output are made up of tiny dots called pixels. The combination of more than one pixel together make an image. The text and font statement allow you to display the text and numbers on the graphic output area. So CLG statement used to clear the previous graphic. Color statement used to set the color of the drawing or text. Circle statement draws a filled circle with a given radius around a specified point. And the say statement used to make basic 256 read an expression aloud with the help of a computer speaker. Okay children, now we have done this chapter and you have to do all the 18 programs with output in your copy. Now next we will do the exercise on page number 61. Fill ups true, false and multiple choice and answer the following questions. Now I will give you and I will send you the answer sheet. So you have to do, after doing all the programs, all the 18 programs, you have to do this exercise. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Goodbye.